Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to go live on Twitch. Now the first thing you want to do is go on twitch.tv and make sure you have an account. So if you haven't got an account already, just go ahead and sign up and create one quick. From here you want to go in the top right corner and click on here. And then you want to look for settings, which you can find all the way down here. Now from here we just want to look for channel and video, which we can find here. And we'll be taken to this different page. So what we want to do from here is where we're on channel, we just want to go up one and then click on stream. And then when we click on that, we have access to this primary Steam key. So what we want to do from here is copy this. And then we want to paste it into somewhere like OBS in order to get OBS set up for streaming. So once you have input that, you are actually ready to get streaming. So what you want to do from there is click on this stream manager on the left hand side. And then once you've opened that, you can open up OBS or whatever streaming platform you're using. And then you just want to click start streaming and it will actually go live in this little stream manager. So that is exactly how you can go live on Twitch. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.